What's going on? In this episode, we are replacing front and rear brakes on a 2018 Cadillac Xt5. It's a pretty straightforward procedure with these. With the rear brakes, they have an electronic parking brake that you have to disconnect. I got another video on actually doing that process, so we just get to it with the front ones and go from there. The rear brakes definitely making noise. Actually, last time I replaced the rear brakes was maybe a year and some change ago. Could be almost 2 at this point. All right, like I said, my preference is to disconnect this. These are 2 T30s, and then I turn this clockwise. There's a little bitty, see it right there? Yeah, right there. It's probably gonna be a T45. I turn it clockwise, and it allows me to make space for these calipers. All right, and for the rear, same procedure. Make sure you got the parking brake engaged. It's going to be a 17 millimeter for this bracket right here. Part number for this is 1896, I believe. Yep, 1896. Make sure you clean these pins and all the surface area, re-grease the pins. You're good to go. And these are those. Good to go.